Hey friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In today's video, I'm testing one of the smallest car gadgets on the market today. This tiny wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is from the famous Ottocast brand and the model is called Mini Cube 3.0. This small adapter converts your wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto into wireless, so you no longer have to deal with the messy cables in your car. Now let's plug this compact adapter into the USB port in my car and see how it performs. Alright friends, so as soon as you connect the Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 with the USB adapter, and it's a very simple connection, you get a couple of messages on the screen. It's basically asking you to connect the device with the Bluetooth. Simply go to your Bluetooth on your iPhone, look for this device Ottocast and connect it, and as soon as you connect it with your iPhone, it will basically give you the Apple CarPlay view, and it takes about 3 to 5 seconds very first time when you set it up. And this is a one-time setup. You just need to connect it with your iPhone for very first time, and then every time you come in your car, it automatically reconnects. You don't have to do the Bluetooth connection all the time. As long as the Bluetooth on your iPhone is switched on, it will give you that it will give you the user interface of Apple CarPlay on the screen automatically. You don't have to re-establish or reconnect the device connection. All right, so this is the wireless CarPlay setup on this Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0. Again, I'm not going to explain the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay in this video. All I wanted to see was how would it appear, how would it connect, and whether it's giving me all the options or all the applications. Now, keep in mind, you only see all the applications that are installed on your iPhone, as well as the ones that are compatible with the Apple CarPlay user interface. Now, there are some restrictions and limitations on some of the apps that don't appear on CarPlay in any car. Things like YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, these apps don't appear on the CarPlay user interface anywhere. So all other apps that are available on your iPhone are appearing, as you can see. The good thing with this device is that the screen response is quite nice. There is absolutely no lag at all when you move from one view to another. So it's quite nice in that way. So very quick to connect, doesn't take a long time. Very good user interface, and the response rate, again, you can play around with this, have all the applications. So as soon as you click on any of the app, as you can see, it's very quick to load those apps. You can click, let's say, Spotify. It's very quick to load. You can click on any of the other apps, and you'll notice that it's very quick to load applications through the wireless connection. Sometimes people think that the wireless connection is a bit slower, or there is some sort of a lag, but in this particular case, as you may notice, there is absolutely no issue. As soon as you click on it, you get to see any of the content appear on that application. So loads the application quite quickly. All right, so this was the Apple CarPlay connection and the setup on this device. What I'll do now is try to show you how we connect to the wireless Android Auto on this Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I've connected the Android Auto, the wireless Android Auto on this Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0. Now in terms of the connections, is identical to the Apple CarPlay connection. Basically, you just need to go on the Bluetooth settings on your Android mobile and add a new device. As soon as you click or pair a new device, you'll see the Ottocast device appearing. Add that to your connections on the Bluetooth. As soon as you do that, it takes 3 or 4 seconds for the Android Auto user interface to appear on the screen. That looks like this, and again, it's a one-time connection. You just need to establish this connection through Bluetooth on your phone once only, and then every time you come back to your car, it automatically reconnects to your phone. As long as the Bluetooth on your Android mobile is switched on, it reconnects in 3 to 5 seconds and takes you to this landing page of the Android Auto user interface. Now again, I'm not going to explain the different functions and features of Android Auto in this video. All I wanted to see was how does this the wireless Android Auto on this Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 connect. So it connects really quickly. The good thing is overall user interface looks quite nice. It's not stretched at all. It's perfect aspect ratio. The overall speed and the response rate of the screen is also quite nice. There is no lag at all. And obviously you can go into the navigation, and one way of testing it is to see if there is any lag or response rate issues with the screen. So as you can see, it's perfect when it's on the navigation screen. All right. And the other nice thing is you can actually zoom in. Now in some of the devices I've tested, you cannot zoom in on the maps. But in this device, you can actually go and zoom in on the navigation. So that's a really good thing. So this is the navigation, and then there are so many other applications. These are all the pre-installed apps on Android Auto user interface that are installed on your Android mobile. And there are a few apps that are limited or restricted on the Android Auto user interface in any car, like YouTube, Facebook, or Instagrams. Those would not appear on the screen, but all other apps that are compatible would appear on the screen, and then you can use it. So just wanted to see how the wireless Android Auto works on this Ottocast device. Works perfectly fine, just like Apple CarPlay. So quite impressive. Another very nice device. Again, I've tested most of the previous models of Ottocast devices on my channel, and all those worked amazingly well. Ottocast is I think definitely one of the top 3 brands when it comes to car accessories and car gadgets. So guys, if you are looking for a very small kind of a compact wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, I would highly recommend this one. And if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of the video below. It will take you directly to the official Ottocast store, where you can buy this very nice Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 USB adapter. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.